kami. Birthday ni Kersmon.
Where's Mama na?
Happy birthday with Daddy. Hi guys. Kamusta kayo? Happy birthday
Where's
to
your Mama na?
you. Happy birthday to you.
Buti nakita niyo si Tita Ofelia, ma.
How are you? Guys, andito kami guys.
Buti nakita niyo siya.
Birthday ni Kersmon. Ay, nakasuot siya sa ano ko. Ayan, si Daddy.
Pinakausap si Mama, aparador naman ng ano.
Daddy! Sabi mo, Daddy, mag-hi ka naman sa vlogs ni Kersmon. Nagigising lang namin, diretso na kami dito. Dito na kami nag-breakfast. Kasi ang oras ay nagising kami 1, tapos nakapunta kami dito. Nakasakay kami ng taxi is 1:51. Nag-Uber kami. And then, nagkain muna kami sa Jollibee. Spaghetti for mommy. And pineapple juice. Daddy is 1 piece chicken and one spaghetti. And then, Kersmon, while watching, he said that, wow, a lot of food is here. I want to touch them all. But mommy, she's with me and daddy. Yan. Ngayon, the time is 2 something. Yeah. Yan. Ito, dito kami sa Lulu Hypermarket. Rais Road, Exit 13, Saudi Arabia. Guys, katatapos lang namin bumili ng mga fish. And then, I hope si Kersmon hindi siya antokin. Ayun lang muna guys. Bye. Mag-bye ka na sa vlog man. Later na lang ulit. Kung magkukuk na kami. Peekaboo! Yan guys, si Kersmon, nakasakay siya sa talak-talak siya ni Daddy. Puyat kami, pero laban lang. Kasi for the birthday of Kersmon, konting sharing is a blessing and salo-salo lang sa bahay. Katatapos lang pala namin inom ng milk ni Kersmon sa taas sa may masjid. But meron siyang nakalaro doon na baby boy din. Pero hindi kasi pwede doon peekaboo! 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 Look, Kersmon, so big! So big! So big! Peekaboo! 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 Okay. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. He said thank you everyone. Thank you. Happy birthday. Okay, dance. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Nilalaro niya lang si Hi guys, si Kersmon, pauwi na siya. Tapos na mamili. Ay, mainit. Ito na kami sa sasakyan. Guys, tapos magluluto na kami ni Daddy. Malapit na kami. Siguro mga 1 or 2 minutes na lang.
Ang trip niya, mami. No? Ang lakas ng trip niya, hindi nagagawa yun ng matinong tao.
Daddy, nakabidyo ko. Look, Kersmon, wow! Guys, look at Kersmon, how happy he is. Hey guys, look, the birthday boy is happy. Nag-replay na si Mariam. Ayan na. Abutin ka lang ng 1 minute. So happy. Hi guys! First time ni Kersmon kumain and mommy ng watermelon na yellow. So matamis! You like it? Wow! Thank you! Say hi! Uncle Nadim! Happy birthday! Thank you for the gift! Hi! Christmas happy? Happy! Happy!
Why should I come?
Luto pa. Saan ka natin, Lili? Ayan na, oh, naluto. Hindi pa tapos.
Hindi.
Nangangati na siya sa kain niya kasi kilala ko itong bata. Eh, hindi pala naka-ano. Hindi pala. Ay, ako pa ako kasi dati. Tatakbo agad ako doon.
Happy birthday, Christmas.
Happy birthday!
Hi guys! Thank you po sa mga nag-gift sa baby ko. Thank you. Thank you po.
Day to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Christmas. Oh, dito tingin.
Happy birthday! Happy birthday!
Tingin, Daddy.
Hipa na, dali. Tutok mo sa kanya, daddy.
Hi.
Hi. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday.
With anniversary!
Syukran! Syukran sa layman! Syupi hadiah. MashaAllah, cake. MashaAllah, tabarakallah. Malabas, MashaAllah, tabarakallah. MashaAllah, syukran. Syukran sa layman. Masuta, baby! Masuta, baby! MashaAllah.
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Christmas. Sawi blow. Sawi blow. Uy,
Happy birthday, Christmas! Happy birthday! Wow! Okay. Baby love, our gift to you for mom. Mommy and daddy, I will show you. Very nice. For you, baby love. Wow!
Happy birthday, Christmas. Birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Christmas. Hello. Happy birthday.
ganun daddy para mahirap yung nakadahig. Pinas ka.
Happy birthday, Christmas. Birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Christmas. Happy birthday, Christmas.
Happy birthday, Christmas!
Happy birthday.
Christmas! Ay, hugasan ko muna siya.
Thank you, Uncle Nadim. Thank you so much. Christmas so happy. Thank you so much. Wow. MashaAllah. MashaAllah. Thank you, Uncle Nadim. It's working. You said it's not working. You. Mm. His turn. You can do it. You can do it. Do it.